marami kang makain. Tsaka maging good boy ka lagi sa mami at saka daddy mo.
Wow! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, simulan ng ating punishment. It's kakantayin natin ang happy birthday using the sound of your favorite animal. Sige, ano favorite animal mo? Okay, pwede ka magkawin ng kasa kung makakanta ng happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go!
Meow, 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 meow.
Sounds ng dog na kumakanta ng happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Maraming salamat. Okay, nag-po si ate. Okay, pangalan po nila?
Kaliya po.
Okay, birthday message for Russell.
Happy birthday, Russell. Sana huwag ka mag-English pag ako kausap.
Ay, alright. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Daniel. Okay, ate, what is your favorite animal?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Wow. Okay, pwede ka naman yung song sa dinosaur na kumakanta ng happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Okay, maraming salamat sa akin. Yan po si ate. Pakalan po nila. Happy birthday message po for Russell.
Happy birthday, Russell! Wish ko huwag ka na masungit, tsaka good health. And don't English in me. I'm funny. Yun lang.
Ayan, okay, thank you so much. Okay, Daniel, what is your favorite animal?
Fish.
Fish. Ayan. Ganyan na kayo. Ganyan, okay. Blue. Okay, ready? Blue. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next po si ate. Paano po nila? Okay, birthday message for Russell.
Happy birthday, Russell. Sana naman kayo may takot sa Diyos at good health lagi.
Ayun. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, si Mami, anong favorite animal? Goat or kambing. Okay, parinig naman kami ng sounds ng kambing na kumakanta ng happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Brian.
Okay, birthday message po for Russell.
Russell, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Be good. Makinig kayo mga kay daddy. Tsaka stay healthy, ha?
Wow! Okay, thank you so much po. Okay, Daniel. Si Sir Rian, ano favorite animals?
Monkey!
Monkey!
Dapat with action!
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Santa Claus yan eh!
Maraming salamat, syempre si Mami. Okay, si Mami, birthday message po muna for Russell.
Russell, happy birthday. Dapat hindi ka na magkakasipon, ubo, at saka hindi na makaka-hospitalize. Yun! Email, tsaka mag-aral kang mabuti. Try hard, ha? Siyempre, magagaan si Mami pag ayun lang.
Wow! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, dati si Madam Tel na favorite animal.
Toko?
Tuko. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Manok!
Maraming salamat po dahil dyan maaari na po tayo ko.
One, two, smile! One, two, smile! Waki, one, two, smile! Okay. Kain na kayo. Smile. Oh, smile, smile. Isa pa. One, two. Smile. One, two. Okay. Picture lang, picture. One, two, smile. Okay, thank you. Picture. Smile. One, two, three. Okay. Ay, smile. Picture lang po, picture lang po. One, two, smile. Thank you. Picture lang po, picture lang. One, two, smile. Thank you. Picture lang po. One, two, smile. Thank you. Picture lang sir, picture lang. One, two. Okay, thank you. Paano ka nito? Abot pa to. One, two. Okay. Si Russell.
For Jollibee. 1 million? Wow, 1 million! Grabe naman yun! Kaya mo nila for Jollibee yun? Akin si Rafa ay meron! Pangwan na lang po! Meron kang Jollibee! Jollibee! Wow! Mas gusto ni Rafa na yung surprise na for Jollibee! Akin kaya dyan na naman yung second! Surprise mo para sa ating birthday celebrant! Kakain ka na! Nasa makapasok mo pala! Kakain ka na agad! Ano yan? Wala nang laman. Gutom na si Bethel Jollibee. Grabe naman yung flexible na siya mo, Bethel Jollibee ang lalim. Okay, sige, ganun na lang. Okay, bago kumain Bethel Jollibee, sabay-sabay na lang natin bilangin yung wish ni Bethel strong, and healthy. Kagaya nito. Kagaya ni best friend Charlie. Wow! Grabe naman yung ikot. Okay, dahil dyan, for the second, wish best friend Charlie, si Russell ay maging batang. Nawag, magkakasakit at magsaat maabot ang mga pangarap sa buhay. Okay, dahil once again, palakpakan naman natin si best friend Charlie. Aking kanyang best friend Charlie for the third. Wish mo para sa ating birthday celebrant, si Russell ay maging batang, madasalin at may takot kay Daddy.
Akala ko sakit lang.
Hindi! Kanino? Kay Mami!
Sakit lang.
Ay, hindi! Kanino? May takot sa Diyos! What is naman? Ay, ganun lang may takot kay Mami and Daddy at sa Diyos. Ay, kanyang for the last and fourth wish of the Charlie, si Russell ay naking batang at tayo lahat to be always happy like the one and only Charlie V. Ay, tayo once again, palakpakan naman natin lahat si best friend Charlie. Ay,
Ating Jolly Round Friends para sa ating dance number.
Aki once again, Aki is on the camera one. Philippines smile. Aki next walkie shot. Aki ready? 1, 2, 3, walkie. Aki thanks so much, Aki lahat dyan. Ngayon naman sabay-sabay naman natin katahan ng isang malakas na happy birthday si Russell na out of 3, 2, and 1!
Happy birthday!
One more time! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ay, thank you so much, pero hindi ba kumumpleto ang birthday party ni Russell nang hindi natin marinig ang birthday wish ni Mami and ni Daddy para sa ating birthday celebrant.
Yun yan, sana stay healthy, tsaka study hard. Mag-lesson pa tayo.
Parang ayaw niyo yung wish mo. Ibahin mo naman, ibahin mo daw.
Happy birthday!
Kaya thank you so much. Ang kaya palakpakan naman natin lahat si Mami. Thank you so much, Mami, ngayon naman. Si Daddy po.
Ay, oh my goodness.
Sana gumaling ng hika mo. Gumaling ng hika mo. Sige, ay, maging magsug ng Russell.
I hope you stay safe. Don't get yourself in trouble.
Wow! Aking tayo mga kaya palakpakan naman natin. Aking ang family na ating birthday celebrant din naman. Sabay-sabay naman natin patiin si Russell ng isang malakas na happy birthday na out of 3, 2, and 1! Happy walking shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, walking. Okay, thank you so much po. Okay, nagalang po muna sila mga Itali. Okay, thank you po sa lahat ng po ng family and relative. Sasali po muna ni Mami Say, papunta po kayo sa harapan.
Asya ba?
Okay, ready? Meron po bang family and relatives po ni Daddy? Meron po ba? Okay, meron po. Si Boris po yung family and relatives po ni Daddy. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, next, walking siya po. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, walking! Okay, next, jump shot! Okay, ready? Okay, eyes on the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, next, walking shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, walking! Okay, next, turo natin yung waiting star, brother. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, turo! Okay, next, burger naman. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, burger! Okay, last video naman po, sabay-sabay lang natin sabihin na Happy Birthday, Russell! And then palakpak po tayo na may malakas ng hiyawa namin. Kailangan po yung malakas para po marinig sa video. Okay, wait lang po. Nahilipat ko kasi. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday,
Sorry po, isa pa po. Hindi ko po napindot. Okay, joke lang. Okay, boy. Okay, closer lang po tayo. Okay, ready? Okay, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, next, walking shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, walking. Okay, one more pa po. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. One way naman. Sa lahat po